Well, hello. Hi again. Hi, it's me. It's me again. Remember me? Hi, everyone. Oh my god, how do I f***ing start this video? Today I want to talk about spring favorites. It is currently May the 8th, Monday, May the 8th. Yes, we're in our second week of May now. Basically, spring has sprung. It's been in full effect. The April showers did in fact happen. It was so freaking rainy in Maine all of April, except for like maybe 2 days. Maybe 2. Yeah, so this is like the first week in Maine we've had nice weather, nice like sunny, not like too cloudy, but like we're in the 70s now, which is like a big improvement, big time. Whereas it's been like in the 40s a lot of days. So it is a sunny week ahead of us, which has got me thinking ahead to summer and things that I'm doing this summer and things I'm looking forward to this summer. But technically we're still in spring, and I don't think the first day of summer is till June. So we got a full month of spring left. And I just wanted to go over some of the things that I've really been loving this spring, things that I have been using constantly and kind of just like my favorites. So overall, we're talking spring faves here, okay? Spring faves. I made a list. Yep, I wrote it out on paper. Don't do that often. I want to keep this casual, so we're not going to go too crazy with this video. It's going to be kind of short and sweet, I think, and to the point. Just wanted to talk to my besties about things that I've been loving. So first thing I'm going to start out with, no particular order. So number one is e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I got this kind of, I think at the end of winter. I really like it. It kind of feels like Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops to me. It just feels like a nice little sheen glow. Since especially it's getting warmer outside, I want more minimal makeup. I just want to look like I'm glowing from within and that I have perfect skin naturally, but with using products. e.l.f. Halo Glow has been a great thing. I use it a lot for a primer, and then I'll go in and conceal and bronze, and then maybe use this like a light foundation on top. But if I don't want to do foundation and go crazy, do the whole makeup shebang, I'll just do e.l.f. Halo Glow and then maybe a little concealer, and works wonders. It works wonders. So that leads me to number 2. We've got the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. This I kind of just picked up on a whim one time at Target. I just thought, hey, I'm in the market for a new foundation. I want to try something lighter, because before that I was really just using a e.l.f. foundation that I had never used before either. Nowadays, like the light tinted kind of serums of foundations are really more popular and more talked about, I guess you could say. I wanted to try one out. I love it. 10 out of 10. Like, I will continue using this product throughout the summer. I think it's great. It doesn't feel heavy. It is pretty light to medium coverage based on how much you use, but overall it's great. Plus it has that hyaluronic acid in it, so I feel good using it knowing that I'm like doing something good for my skin, you know what I'm saying? Number 3. I have been going through this thing with moisturizers throughout spring, kind of. At the end of winter, I bought like 5 moisturizers, and I was like, my skin is so dry. I'm gonna try everything and anything, but like really more affordable options. So I picked up the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream from Sephora, I believe. I got it there. I just got like the travel size one. I think it was like 18 bucks maybe, which is still like a little bit more on the pricey side. You know, it's not like drugstore. It's just a nice, solid moisturizer. I'm so sick and tired of all of these people using these moisturizers that cost 80 bucks, 60, 50, 40 bucks. I'm so tired of spending so much money on a moisturizer that I use morning, night, every single day, and then like I run out of, I don't want to chunk up my change again. I have to like start saving money just for moisturizers. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can get the job done using products that aren't 80 bucks. Like, I promise you, they're not going to be like that much more beautiful than you in 20 years just because they used the really expensive ones. You know which ones I'm talking about. Like, I don't want to call anyone out here. There's just no reason that you should be using stuff like that. Isn't it crazy whenever you see videos of 12-year-old girls using Drunk Elephant moisturizer on their skin? I was using Walmart, like, I'm still using Walmart stuff, but like I don't think it's gonna preserve their skin any more than one from Walmart or Walgreens. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'll get off my soapbox. On to number 4. This is kind of a funny little one. I heard Emma Chamberlain talk about this. Glove exfoliators, like shower glove exfoliators. It's a mitten that you put on, and it's just like an exfoliating glove. I'm gonna keep saying that. I don't know how to explain it other than it's just like an exfoliating glove, okay? I'll use it once a week, once every other week whenever I think about it, really. But I think it's been good for like, you know, just exfoliate my legs. Some people talk about the strawberry legs, if you know what I mean. Just Google it. Girls just be making a name up for everything. Plus, another thing on my list is the Tanologist Self Tan Water Tanner. I use the shade medium. It works well for about a week. Then after the week, you know, you start getting a little patchy and you want to really scrub yourself off, exfoliate. The gloves come in handy for that too. Next thing, another moisturizer. This is just a solid lotion that I've been using. I watched some dermatologists on YouTube. Dr. Dre, if you've never heard of her. Dre, D-R-A-Y, not making beats Dre. Since she's a doctor, I feel like I can truly trust what she's saying because she knows the benefits of different ingredients. She really recommended the Gold Bond Pure Moisture Daily Moisturizer. It's a face and body lotion. Sometimes I use it on my face. Sometimes I just don't want to get into my face skincare stuff and I'll just put it on my face too. I really am stopped caring lately, and you know what? My skin is just the same. My skin has not gotten more wrinkles or hasn't gotten ugly, okay? Not yet. Plus, some body lotions, you put it on and it leaves a weird film and you don't feel like it's really moisturizing you or doing anything. This Gold Bond Pure Moisture, it's been perfect. I've gone through like 2 bottles of it. Next thing on my list, this is number 7, I think. This is a perfume. It's the Herrera Good Girl perfume. I got this for Christmas probably 2 years ago. I've been building up my like stock of perfume, okay? And this is one of the first ones that I got. I just have recently been trying it again. I'm loving it. It smells expensive too. It comes in like this little, you know, stiletto. It's like sweet, but it's, I can't even tell you like notes. I can't even get into that right now. Like, and it's just like my scent of the moment. Next thing I want to bring up is the Kitsch Facial Dermaplaners. I've been trying to do this every other week. I originally bought them because I was getting ready for a formal event. I always notice that my makeup lays on better whenever my face is shaved. It's like a 12 pack and it's really like $8, which is a good deal for that many dermaplaners. I've been trying to do it once a week. You know, you dermaplane around the face, forehead, everything. You don't realize how much peach fuzz, fine hairs are on your face until you do something like that. It's kind of shocking, but I promise you your makeup, your skincare, everything will go down better on your face if you just dermaplane every other week or so. But don't be doing it every day. That's not a good idea. Last product I want to mention, and this is something I've rediscovered lately. It's the Glossier Cloud Paint for blush. I don't know why. I bought these literally, they're probably expired. I bought them, I think I got them for Christmas, honestly, 4 years ago. They're also more expensive now on their website. I've been liking the color Haze, and I always have liked the one Puff, which is like a light pink. The Haze has been my favorite. It's more of like a raspberry pink, and it blends out really well on your face. That's like the only liquid blush that I own, so I've just been giving it another try and been loving it. Okay, other small things. This is kind of goofy, kind of silly. I feel like, you know, just so silly and goofy. Things that I've been loving this spring. Try not to laugh. Shows that I've been watching are, I just recently picked this one up actually. It's Girls on HBO. It's really just about these girls that are out in the real world for the first time. They live in New York City and they just like are trying to discover who they are, what they're supposed to do with their life, which is so relatable. I feel like everyone gets to that point in their life, especially if you're, you know, maybe you just graduated college. It's like, now what? What am I supposed to do with the rest of my life? And how am I supposed to know what to do with the rest of my life? I'm still figuring that one out. Me and my boyfriend just got through doing a whole Entourage watch through. It's like 8 seasons. I love the show completely. I've been meaning to watch it for the longest time, but I'm obsessed with it and I want to restart it already because I miss watching it. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's loosely based on Mark Wahlberg and his friends whenever he first moved out to LA and started getting like fame and stuff. It's hilarious. It is. It's just these dudes living in Hollywood back in the day, and it's kind of funny to watch nowadays too because they reference things that are still popular today and you're like, oh, that's really been around since 2006? Oh, who would have thought? For exercise, things I've been liking are just walks. Any day that it's sunny outside, especially after this dreary ass winter we had up north, if it's sunny, I'm outside. I'm going on a walk. I'm getting that vitamin D. I gotta get out of the house and I've got to like soak in the sun. I just love a good walk. It's good for the mind, the soul, the body. Go on a walk, okay? Another thing I've been doing on days that it's been like rainy, I have a subscription to Form. It's by Sammy Clark. She's like exercise influencer. I really liked her workouts. She did a whole Pilates series and they've just been something good to do at home, and it really was pretty affordable for a full year. Last thing I'll mention, and this is kind of a reference to other videos of mine, if you have seen those, just something about me is I currently am looking for a job. I got laid off from my last job. You know, it's just those economic times. And so I have been able to just like do whatever day to day. So one thing I have been doing is I'll get up and I'll watch the 4th Hour Today Show with Jenna and Hoda. It makes me feel like such a 40, 50-year-old housewife. I'll get up, watch Jenna and Hoda, and drink my coffee, make my breakfast, you know, stuff like that. And it brings me so much joy. I love watching them. I love their dynamic. They have, you know, celebrities and people on. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed listening to my little weird favorites that I've had this spring. I'm so excited for the summer, and honestly, I'm over spring. Stay tuned for my summer favorites. I'm so excited for the summer, and I'm really just excited for warmer weather, travel, and adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link the products in the description below if you're interested. Don't forget to go to my channel and check out my other videos. I promise you there's a million other better videos than this one on my channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment something you've been enjoying this spring. All right, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.